Girls Planet 2 Audition 2026. Everything you need to know. Girls Planet 2 is a big global girl group project by CJENM and Net. The first season, Girls Planet 999, gave us Kpop, so this season is highly anticipated. The audition started on May 1st. The deadline will be announced later, so you still have time but don't delay. It is open to girls from all over the world. Any nationality is welcome. Age limit: born before January 1st, 2013. That means if you are born in 2012 or earlier, you are eligible. What you need to submit: you have to send 3 videos to the email, girlsplanet@cjenm-mnet.com. Self-introduction video, vocal or rap video, dance video. Make sure all videos are clear, well lit, and properly edited. I will explain how to make each one strong later in this video. Write a clean and professional email. Include your full name, date of birth, nationality, and contact number. Attach the 3 videos with clear file names like name_selfintro.mp4, name_vocal.mp4, name_dance.mp4. How to make a strong self-introduction video. Your self-intro is the first thing judges will see. Make it 30 to 60 seconds long. Start with your name, age, and where you are from. Then tell them sincerely why you want to become a K-pop idol and why you are suitable for Girls Planet 2. Speak clearly, smile naturally, and look directly at the camera. Show your personality. Are you bright, cool, cute, or charismatic? Practice many times until it feels natural. This video decides if they want to watch your other performances or not. How to prepare vocal or rap video. For vocal, choose a song that shows your voice tone and emotion. Sing the chorus or highlight part clearly. You can sing in English, Korean, or your native language. Good pronunciation and stable voice matter more than hitting very high notes. For rap, show clear flow, rhythm, and attitude. Even 20 to 30 seconds is enough if it's strong. Record in a quiet room with good audio. Stand straight and show confidence. How to prepare dance video. Choose a choreography that matches your style. It can be a K-pop song or any dance that shows your strength. Film full body so judges can see your lines, footwork, and expression. Wear comfortable but neat clothes so your movements are clearly visible. Practice until you can perform cleanly with energy and facial expression. Sharpness and confidence are more important than difficult moves. What judges look for in Girls Planet 2. Judges want girls with star quality, good potential, and strong desire to improve. They look for unique charm, performance ability, and teamwork spirit because it's a survival show. Visuals are important but not everything. Personality and growth potential matter a lot. Be yourself. Don't try to copy existing idols too much. Show your own color. Important things to remember. Submit before the deadline. It will be announced soon. Make sure all videos are under the size limit mentioned in the official notice. Be honest in your application. Keep training even after submitting. You might get a callback. Take care of your mental and physical health during this process. My personal advice for you. If you are between 12 to 18 years old, this is a golden opportunity. Don't be afraid to apply even if you feel you are not perfect yet. Many girls who got selected in the first season were not the best at the beginning. They grew during the show. Start preparing your videos this week. The earlier you submit, the better.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना।